Have you ever needed a website but felt overwhelmed by coding, design, or the high cost of hiring a developer? So, this video is for you. Today, I will show you a free and beginner-friendly AI tool that can build a fully functional, professional-looking website in under 5 minutes, with zero coding skills required. Whether you are a freelancer, a content creator, or someone building a side hustle, this is one of the fastest ways to create your online presence and start generating income. Stay with me until the end, because I will not only demonstrate how the tool works, but also show you how to turn that website into something that brings in real results, whether that is clients' traffic or sales. Here is the reality. Most people know they need a website, whether it is to promote a service, build a personal brand, or sell something. But the process seems complicated and expensive. You might have explored platforms like WordPress or Squarespace, only to run into confusing templates, pricing plans, or the need to learn how to design and code. On top of that, hiring a web developer or designer can cost anywhere from $500 to $5,000, which is simply not viable for someone just starting out. The result? Many freelancers and small business owners never launch their site. And that means missed opportunities, lost clients, and no online credibility. But thanks to AI, the game has changed completely. Tools like Durable AI Mixo.io and Framer AI can now generate fully designed websites from just a short prompt, and they do it in a matter of minutes. Let me walk you through how it works. Using Durable AI, one of the fastest and most impressive free website builders available right now. Step 1. Visit DurableWallow.co and click on Generate Your Website. Step 2. Type in what your business or idea is about. For example, I run a freelance social media agency. Step 3. The AI instantly creates a homepage for you, complete with copy, images, and layout. You can then customize the text to reflect your brand voice, upload your own logo or images, add or remove sections, such as testimonials or contact forms. Connect a custom domain if you have one. In less than 5 minutes, you have a clean, mobile-optimized website ready to launch. No coding, no plugins, no design headaches. Now let's talk about why this is a complete game changer, especially for freelancers. A professional website is no longer a luxury. It is your online storefront. Clients today expect you to have one. It builds trust, showcases your skills, and gives you a platform to collect leads or payments. With an AI website builder, you save time. You do not need to spend weeks figuring out design or layout. You save money. These tools are either free or extremely affordable compared to hiring someone. You launch faster. You can validate your idea and start promoting it in hours, not months. You can use it too. Create a digital portfolio that gets you freelance clients, launch a landing page for an ebook or product. Build a personal brand hub to host your bio, blog, and links. Offer website building as a service using the same tool. You are not just creating a website. You are opening the door to visibility, credibility, and monetization. Here are a few examples. A freelance graphic designer uses Durable to showcase their portfolio and ads. A contact form to get clients. A student creates a tutoring website with their services, testimonials, and calendar integration, all within an hour. An aspiring entrepreneur uses Mixo.io to launch a waitlist page for their app idea, with no coding and no paid ads. These tools are not just convenient. They remove the technical barriers that stop most people from starting. And in 2025, that kind of speed and simplicity is an unfair advantage. If you are ready to start freelancing, selling, or promoting anything, your first step is launching that website. Try Durable or Framer or Mixo today. Test a few different prompts. Create a few mock-up sites. Learn how the tool thinks, and then use it to your advantage. Once your site is live, link it to your socials, add it to your freelance profiles, or share it in your outreach messages. You will look more professional and stand out immediately. And if you want to go a step further, consider offering AI website setup as a freelance service to others. You can charge $50 to $200 per site and build it in under an hour. That is the power of AI. It does not just save time, it opens doors. If you found this useful, subscribe to Byte to Bank, where we show you exactly how to use AI to build income, productivity, and long-term success, one tool at a time. Let me know in the comments, what would you build with your AI-generated website? Your digital presence starts today, and you did not even need to code a single line.